have a hunched spine or a slouch posture sitting here and there, then there are a couple of postures which you can practice to bring more awareness and build up more strength to your spine and getting your posture correct. Because friends, while I'm telling you to do this poses, because in later years there are the problems like you will see kyphosis, scoliosis or lordosis of the spine. It's because of sitting in the wrong way, and if you sit for the wrong way for the long period of time, then there are disease or the problems like kyphosis, scoliosis for the spine. If you want to avoid and you want to start getting more aware, bringing your spine more in a correct way, then these tricks or these asanas will help you. So first thing is the posture tricks. How do you sit? So generally when we sit on the laptop, or when you do something write up, or you do some desk work or sedentary work, we end up sitting this, right? Also like watching TV, we are not aware of, and you may end up sitting or leaning behind or curving your back. Okay, so if you do this for a long time, you may end up with kyphosis. Yeah, so to improve your spine posture, first thing is to bring awareness. So your tailbone should be always tucked in, you're lifting your chest up, your shoulders should be relaxed, and your head should be in the center. This is a trick of your spine. So this is a posture trick. You need to be aware all the time that I need to sit straight. Yes, uplifting your spine. Then the second thing is you need to practice to strengthen your spine so that you don't have scoliosis back, or you don't have to get the round shape of the spine. So we start with the laying down postures. Lay down on your belly, and then you start with the baby cobra pose, keeping your arms tucked into your chest area. Inhale, you raise your chin and your chest up, your shoulders rolling back and your arms tuck in. Do not open your hands. You can stay here for a few breaths and then you can come down. Keep repeating this for a few more rounds. Breathe in and breathe out. One more time. Inhale and exhale. Then we move to the baby cobra, that is we move to the cobra pose. After baby cobra pose, we move to the cobra pose or Bhujangasana. Your palms should be closer to the chest. Your arms up, elbows pointing back. Inhale, putting the pressure on your palms, each and every palms, and try to lift in Bhujangasana. And then breathe out. You slowly go down. You try to lift till your belly and micro bend your elbows. Your arms are in, opening your chest, shoulders back, toes pointing behind. Exhale down. One more time. Inhale up. Exhale down. You'll have a very good stretch in your spine. Then the third is you do the Shalabhasana. Both the hands, you will take it behind, breathe in, and we try to open our heart, arms pulling back, and you can also lift your feet from the ground, squeezing your hips, and breathe out. Down. Inhale up, rolling your shoulders back, lift your head, chest, your feet. Exhale down. A few more rounds, you can keep doing it. Inhale and exhale down. So these three poses you can do supine. Then you can also do it, that is spine rolls. How? Keeping your palms on your knees, and you move your spine in a round shape, and then you exhale, arch. Inhale, exhale, contract, Few rounds. Inhale, arch your spine. Exhale, contract. One more. Inhale, arch your back. Exhale, you contract. And you will see that you actually stimulate your spine, and you will give a very good fresh flow of the circulation and stimulation to the spine, which will help you to correct your posture and to bring awareness whenever you sit. So I hope you will practice these postures, and see you in my next video. Till then, stay blessed. Namaste.